Babaklas oh.
Taga-baklas.
Anong binabaklas mo?
Ang wrapper.
Bakit mo binabaklas?
We have to have this baklasin and then we will make balot for the lumpia.
Ano pa?
Okay?
Ano pa? Sige, gumawa ka ng content dyan.
We'll make baklas the wrapper.
And then?
And the next is to make the balot the lumpia. And then later on at night we'll eat this. We'll cook, fried,
Ano?
and eat. So it's yummy. Lumpia Shanghai. Sabi Aka na.
Galing-galing mo magbaklas oh. Ito.
Okay. Yes.